Morning guys. Very cold view again, which is the best view. We're gonna go to the igloo house and it's very cold. Right now we're having a breakfast. I'm just gonna take my breakfast and I'm gonna go inside. Let me show you guys what is there in our breakfast today. I got fruits for myself. That's pineapple and papaya. I'm gonna eat my fruits and once I eat my breakfast, and then once I get ready I'll update you guys. Till then I'm just gonna show you guys this view again because it is really amazing today. Get ready, my dad is screaming at me. So I'm gonna go and get ready and then I'm gonna see you guys when we go. So guys, we are all ready and we're waiting for a taxi to come. Once it comes, we're gonna go. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit. And that is my little outfit and the upstairs. I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. And yes, so this was my and my brother's room. And this was the view, which was the bar. How, look at this. Now let's go downstairs and yep, bye bye this view. It's very cold today. Yesterday I swear it wasn't cold at all. Hi. Guys, we are here at this place. From here they're gonna give us their clothes which we have to wear, like different shoes. We have to wear different shoes, we have to wear different trousers and like pants and everything. So we're going up. Here is everything we have to wear from here. Select jackets from here. Pants over here. We can wear any pants we want from here, and I have to also select shoes because mine, they say, are kind of weak for to wear in like the ice. It's very cold, oh my God. It's freezing. I have to wear gloves also now. Guys, we are all ready. Oh my God, you guys don't know how many layers I'm wearing right now. The pant and the gumboots which they gave me. Very cold. It's gonna be very cold over there, so we already been prepared. This is all I'm wearing. I have my beanie to wear. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun over there. Earlier we came in this. Now we're gonna go in a truck, which is there. You can see we are now going. My mom, my dad and my brother are sitting behind and I'm sitting in the front seat. I'm gonna show you guys the whole view, like put like a time lapse or a video of the view. I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, now we have finally reached here. I love this view, like full snow and all. From here now we have to go by walking because where the igloo stay is, like the car can't go directly to there. So from now here to there we have to go by walking. We are just taking our bags down. There are some people who will help us to get those bags. Helpful. They only carry our bags. We just have to go free-handed so that we can take pictures and everything. So yes, they're taking the luggage. Here's my mom. We're going down. So yes, we have to walk down there. It's gonna be a very scary road. So, and here is the igloo stay where we're going. We have to go more down. It's a lot of more walking to go there. It's the second time I slipped. And we are almost here. We are still walking. Here, my mom and dad. Oh my god. This is the igloos, and there are like other 2-3 igloos over there. And over here as well. And here we are finally for the day we've been waiting for. Now the only thing which is yet to become is snowfall. We just want the snowfall, that's it. Nothing else. I'm gonna show you guys like a full tour of the inside of the igloo once we get ours. That's my mom and dad over there. And this amazing scene, and this is my brother. Yeah. See, this is the inside of the igloo. Wow, it is so damn nice here. These are the sleeping bags and everything. So basically we have to sleep on ice, plus there is this, then one more, and this fur and this sleeping bag. We're gonna sleep here at night, and this is the outside. The outside of the igloo from what I see from here while sleeping. Wait. And here we are in the igloo. Wow. So guys, now we are going there to drink chai because we're very hungry. We like drove for about 2 hours, and this is where we eat, and I think that's their kitchen, and I don't remember, but this is where we eat and this is their kitchen, and those are our igloos, and with this amazing freaking view which I can't get over, and I'm just like, you know, like appreciating again and again. So our food is been prepared. Till then we are just like roaming around. There's a lot to do. There are more activities we're gonna do. And yeah, we're just moving here, and here's my dad taking pictures and stuff. This is me and my dad playing with the ice. It's so fun here, guys. I just like lay around on the ice. It's not that cold, but it's fun. Just sleeping here, you know, moving around and playing in ice. This is my brother. He doesn't care. Food for us here. Dal, rice and rajma. Beautiful lunch for us. See, this is the food my brother eating. This is how the inside of where we eat looks like. Here's a door that closes and opens, of course. And this is how it is. Here's a sitting area. Here's a speaker, like if you want to vibe with music. And there's this little bit warmer. We were earlier sitting here and drinking tea. And you can see the outside. And we're gonna eat our lunch and then more fun. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Done with our lunch, and we check the temperature, and it shows that it's gonna snowfall at 5 o'clock. Please have pictures in snowfall and wanna enjoy my first ever snowfall because I've never experienced it. Brother is doing this tube, so I'm taking his video, and then I'm gonna do it. So you're gonna see me and you're gonna see us do that. It's getting very cold now. I'm gonna go inside my igloo and wear my gloves because I removed it with my jacket because I'm not wearing one right now. I'm wearing my shoes for ice skiing, sorry. And now
10 minutes you just
I just got into my shoes for ice skiing. This cute little dog over here. I just did I just did ice skiing, but I was like falling every time I was doing it. And my brother is doing it so nicely. I swear you guys, it feels so good. I'm just like like doing this swing and listening to my favorite song in this amazing view. And now it's getting dark and very, like amazing and swinging around. I know this may sound a little bit cliche, but I love this. And we are going to have a little bit of like eating right now, I guess, because we did a lot of activities and we were kind of tired. So I think we're gonna eat Maggie probably. Dark, and they're doing the bonfire since it's getting cold, and we're gonna eat. It got dark and now it's like they've kept off on the light and it looks so great. I'm gonna go outside in the bonfire and show you guys how it looks. Look at this light, it looks so pretty, right? My mom and dad, they're chilling there inside with some people they just met. And yeah, that's our igloos. Things like lighten up and look so pretty.
तो बोल रहे थे यार जैसे वो बीच वाला दरवाजा में देखो आपको है ना लाइट दिख रही है ना किसी के हाँ हल्का सा गैप रहेगा इसमें अच्छा ये सर्कुलेशन में अंदर उसके प्रॉपर पैक कर दिया ना तो दिक्कत है
Eating Maggie. My mom enjoying the bonfire. Now we're going to have people join us here because my mom and dad, they became kind of friends with the other people who are staying here at the, so they kind of like, I'm gonna drink and something like that. Till then I'm gonna enjoy my Maggie and spawn that out, which is going inside my eyes. Anyways, so I'm gonna see you later. So guys, now we're listening to music and we're going to eat our dinner in a few minutes. It's gonna go inside there, eat our dinner. Our dinner is ready. This is the place. And the atmosphere is very, very nice. Just so nice. Paneer sabji, roti. We have dal. And they're eating. Sorry, the flash keeps going. This is you and our dinner. So guys, now we are here. Now we are going to sleep. Have these. This is the ice bed. Then we have this. Then there is this, and then there is all. Yes, this is the entrance. I'm sitting at the entrance right now. The people over here are very, very helpful. They like literally like gave us a full explanation of how to sleep. So if you guys ever plan to come here, then it's very good. Feel cold, they just make sure that we don't feel cold or anything. So yeah, that's very nice of them to help us. And yeah, look at this. I don't think I showed you guys how exactly this igloo looks at the night, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is the other igloo which is like beside us. This is ours. There's one more over here which is like kind of far, so you can't see it. But this is our igloo. Oh my god. Yes. The entrance, this is the door. And here it's written igloo 2. We just have to hold it and close it. It doesn't close completely because we need ventilation inside. Then we go inside this. And here is how it looks. And these are our beds and everything, which I just gave an explanation about. Light over there, and once it gets switched off, they also give us an emergency light if in case we need it. We're gonna go outside again. It's very cold, you guys, very, very cold. I love this light. And there are still people sitting over there having lunch and having dinner. These are like these steps over here, and this is the behind. Wow, it's very dark, you can't see anything. It's like jungle and trees over there, which you can probably not see at all. It's a kind of small though, not small but perfect in size. And the entrance is like so cute. It's very cute. I'll see you guys next when I sleep, and I'm gonna show you how it looks when the igloo is dark. My camera is not that good to show how clearly it looks, but probably you see it nicely whenever I sleep. So now my brother is closing the door because it's bedtime. So we are now setting up everything to sleep. My dad, you can see he's already sleeping, which is a little bit of weird position, but it's for our safety. And my brother is helping to set up my mom's bed. Now my mom's going to sleep. Good night, you guys. I'm gonna now go inside my sleeping bag once I film this video, and we are ready to sleep. I'm just gonna show you guys how we are sleeping.
Not me.
Here's my mom and dad, they're sleeping there, and this is my brother. I'm sleeping here in the middle, and this is the igloo, which I've already seen many times. And there's the gate, like the entrance. Now even I'm gonna go to bed and sleep. I'm just going to wear my beanie now. Light will be switched off, and then we'll have this small light on if we want, like if you don't want like complete dark. And I have my water bag near on my legs, like on my foot, and it feels so hot and nice, so you don't have to worry about like getting cold or something. Yeah, good night, you guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold.
Oh my god, guys, look at this snowfall. Oh my god, this is all filled. It was nothing, there's like mud all over here, and now it's snow. Look at our igloo, and this is all stuffed. I'm going to the washroom right now, and it's getting very cold. Look at this. This all was like so empty yesterday, and now it's full of snow. Look at the snowfall, guys. It's morning, guys. Let's go outside. Well, I already took you guys outside. And I'm gonna take pictures of me and my brother. He's waiting there. And yes, this is so good. Look at these trees. They're filled with ice. Guys, now we are here inside this house. Yes, where we were having tea yesterday. We're having tea again. It's getting very cold outside. It's like literally the snowfall is like very, very extreme, and like I love it. Of course, you can see the snow all over my hair, my jacket. You can see fog coming out from my mouth, which is what I wanted. I like it, and you can see the snow all over my hair and my jacket. I have to clean it later. It's guys, the snow is literally like so deep. It's coming up to my knees, and I'm enjoying it. Now we're going ahead to do some activities which we did yesterday. Maybe if we can, because it's very, very cold. So if we have the capacity to do it, we are for sure gonna do it. That's my brother. We're going. Yay! I love this weather so much. Look at that. Deep. And now I'm gonna jump in this one. Wow. I just can't get over this view. It's so good. Our igloos are like literally like became 2x bigger. So guys, now very cold, and now we are going to go and have our breakfast. Wow, you guys, look at these trees. Wow. You should surely visit here. Please do. Because you will never you don't want to miss this. It's just so amazing. It might be very, very extremely cold for some people, but for people like me, finding my way to go there, down there, like down the hill because I've not explored there yet. Rest, all of this you have already seen. That is the only one place which is yet to be explored by me. So I'm going there. This is where I was saying I'm going. Zing over here. And it's still there's a little bit of snowfall, but not like the one we had in the morning. The morning was extremely cold, like very fast snowfall. Now it's like light snowfall, which is also not bad. So we are going now. Bye bye. By this amazing view and our igloos. And now we're going to climb up. I don't think I'll be able to record there because it's very cold and probably like steepy to go up. So now we are back at our hotel where we lived yesterday, like before we went to the igloo house. And look, it didn't have any snow or anything, but now it is completely filled with snow. Even those mountains. If you guys haven't seen my earlier video, go and watch it, then you'd know how normal it was earlier when we stayed here. Very, like, it was cold, but it wasn't, there was no snow that time, but now it's snow everywhere. See, even on those mountains there's snow. And this is the hotel where we stayed. We are getting our bags in our car. So yes, from now here we will be going ahead to some place called Nagar, and now we'll travel ahead. So yeah, I think probably this is the end of my video of the igloo stay. It was the best experience I ever had and it was very amazing. Everybody over there was very nice and very kind. That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to watch my last video where I did like a road trip to Manali, and then I stayed here, and from here we went to the igloo house for one day and one night, of course. To like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling. Bye.